So please welcome our next special guest for today, Ms. Trupti Nachne. Trupti is the founder and director of Identity, the image management studio. She has been the former Thane chapter president of IMPA, Image Management Professionals Association, and she's also a certified senior associate from IMPA. As a personal branding and image consultant, she works with individuals from various backgrounds, corporates, and educational institutions and guides them to enhance their identity. She is also a life skills educator for children and helps them to build their personal effectiveness and social and emotional intelligence. So, a very warm welcome to you, Trupti. I'm delighted to have you on my show today. Thank you
Hi,
for being here.
Thank you very much for such a nice introduction. And I'm really happy to get this opportunity to be here and to chat with you and all the other women that are going to be watching this.
Great. So on this special day, what message would you like to give out to our lovely women out there?
Surely there's so much that we can say, but the one thing that I really want to tell women on this special occasion, I really want to urge them to be more emotionally intelligent savvy. In today's time, especially, it's really important, I feel, to recognize your own emotions. In the whole day, there are thousands of emotions that we can go through. And why not recognize and be aware of them and use them to strengthen us rather than to make them a hurdle in our growth path. So I want every woman to be more emotionally intelligent.
Wow. That's quite an unique and informative topic, emotional intelligence, managing your own emotions so that you can manage yourself and also the others. How important today do you think, Trupti, is to be emotionally savvy or being emotionally intelligent?
Yeah, I think it's very important. The kind of changes that we are going through as a society, like all over the world, it would really help for us to manage our personal, social, and professional relationships like a pro. So if all women are able to do that a little better, I think it's going to be wonderful. So it's majorly about, managing our self emotions and recognizing other people's emotions, respecting them, and trying to manage our relationship with them accordingly. So I think, yes, it is important to be emotionally savvy today.
Very aptly said, Trupti, that it is important to be emotionally savvy. Sometimes we really don't know why we are doing certain things when it's all within us. So, could you share one or two tips of how one can become emotionally intelligent and how he can use it in how he or she can use it in their daily lives?
Yeah, I think it's an entire big process, Rashmi. So I think it all begins with self-awareness. So if you are able to recognize or just look into yourself and see the different emotions that you're feeling and how you're able to express them in the better way, that would really start helping people. It could be as simple as reading up. I would really suggest everyone, all women out there, to take up some journal about emotional intelligence or just go on the internet and read a little bit about it, try and understand what it all entails, talk to others about it, talk to some mentor or friends or anyone whom they trust. And it really would help if people start talking about this important topic, and it would really help them to understand how they can take something that will affect their lives. One step will be helpful in their growth, in their unique journey. So for everyone, something else might matter at that time. So I think people should read more.
Wow. Absolutely, Trupti. I feel these are really good tips that one should just look within, become self-aware, and start working on their emotions so that they can grow in their professional and personal lives. I'm sure all the women out there who have heard you speaking on this will be really delighted and start becoming emotionally savvy. Thank you so much for being on our show today, Trupti. It was wonderful to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rashmi. It was my pleasure entirely. Happy Women's Day once more.
Happy Women's Day to you too. Thank you.
Thank you.